All right, welcome to an episode where we create a death zombie machine.
Death zombie machine.
Okay.
This is a Briggs & Stratton 3.5. There's so many videos explaining how to service those, so we don't care about that.
Already serviced.
Already serviced. And the death part is down here. It's actually made for cutting reeds.
Yeah, reeds, not zombies.
No.
That's correct. And we plan to fit it on our floating device with an engine in the back. So the plan is to fit it to this side, and we don't want to attach it directly to the rift. So we want to make a construction on top of it and use those metal parts, and hopefully it will work.
Hopefully.
Hopefully.
Okay, so here's the idea. Instead of screwing down in the deck, which we're a bit careful about doing, there's one beam going across the entire thing, and with two supports going down. This bad boy on top of these, and then
This one should be here, like that.
like so, and then place the zombie death machine in that bracket.
Put together all the wood. So now we're thinking one screw here, one screw there, and then we're gonna make a hole in the back and put one screw there. And
That's about it.
that's about
I'm
it.
gonna take the death machine for a spin.
Yes. So this is now attached fully to the boards. We remove these, and then we put the motor and everything here. So it's gonna be interesting.
I can raise it,
Ja, det är lugnt.
I can lower it. Perfect. Hopefully, did we make it too high? No, yeah, the rift is now on ground, so it's going to be lower when it's in the water. So
Yep,
this
yep,
is
yep.
going to be perfect.
Crazy machine.
Hey! Works.